Welcome, today I am with JBL Reflect Contour 2 and I'll show you how you can perform hard reset of these headphones. So, as you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone. To perform the hard reset, you have to click and hold volume up and volume down button at the same time until this indicator blinks a few times and the connection disappears. So let's make it right now. Click and hold volume down and volume up button right now. Right now we can release when this indicator blinks on the red, and right now we can turn back our headphones by using power key. And take a look, when I try to connect back, I can use the pairing mode. I mean, I can pair them another time because the previously connection was just reset and all settings were restored to the default. So right now I can pair these headphones with my phone another time. And that's how we can perform the hard reset of these headphones. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.